Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for chicken croquettes. They're so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is 2 cups of finely chopped cooked chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon each of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a cup of flour, a half a cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of parsley, a quarter cup of minced onion, and 2 cups of milk. Now for the breading, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 2 cups of seasoned breadcrumbs, and oil for frying. So to my skillet, I'm melting the butter. And once the butter is melted, I'm going to be putting in the onions. And you just want to cook the onions until they're translucent. So next I'm going to be putting in the flour. Just mix it in. So next I'm going to be putting in the salt and the pepper and the garlic powder. Give it a little mix. And I'm going to remove it from the heat. So next I'm going to be putting in the milk. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. So once you poured the milk into the skillet, you're going to put your flame on medium and keep mixing until it becomes thick. So once the sauce has thickened, you turn the flame off and just set it off to the side. So in another bowl, you're going to be putting the chicken and the parsley. Give it a little mix. Then you're going to take your white sauce and pour it into the chicken. Give that a mix. So once you have the chicken all mixed in with the white sauce, what you're going to do is put some saran wrap on top, and you're going to place it inside the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. So next I have the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs, and the chicken has been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And I'm going to take a cookie scoop and I'm going to scoop some out. Now you can make it any shape or size you want. Put it into your hand and you're just going to form it into whatever shape you want. And next I'm going to be putting it into the flour. Then the egg. And then the breadcrumbs. So this is the odd shape that I made. And just place it on a plate. So once you have all the chicken breaded, you need a skillet with some oil in it for frying. Once the oil is hot, you're going to take your chicken croquettes and lay it down inside the oil. And you're going to let it brown on all sides. You'll also need a plate with some paper towels so it drains. So here you have it, chicken croquettes. Crunchy on the outside and saucy on the inside. They're so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.